How to create a blog on Wix. Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own blog for free using Wix. We'll start off by going to wix.com, as you can see in the top left, and you'll get to this page, which says create a website you're proud of. Now, as you can see, try Wix, no credit card required, so it's free. And once you're happy with your blog, you can go ahead and get the paid plan in order to keep delivering and posting content. We'll start off by clicking the Get Started button in the center here, which will now get us to the login or sign up page. Click sign up here. And now you can go ahead and sign up in order to create your blog. I'll be right back once I'm signed up. That you're signed up, Wix will show you this site, which says let's bring your ideas to life. Answer some questions to get the best tools for what you're creating. So let's go and click start. Now, what are we looking to do? What kind of website are you creating? Here you have some examples on our store portfolio blog, which we want, consultant, technology company, restaurant, event. You can also search for other types, but blog is already in the example, so we'll click blog. And now you can go ahead and specify that by saying blog coming soon, mindfulness, motivational, technology, PR, business, and all these other ones. But for the sake of this tutorial, we'll keep it a general blog. You want to specify if you are a niche blog so that they can give you a better selection of templates. So name your website, blog, go next. And as you can see, what are your goals for this website? We'll say build a community, share knowledge, collect leads, maybe even promote a business. That should be good. Click next. And as you can see here, what you want to add to your website, recommended for us would be the blog. As you can see, it's already built in. A chat, so you can chat with the site visitors from desktop or mobile, which is very nice to keep them on your site and engaged. For SEO purposes, a forum to get info, subscribers, and payment with forms, which is very, very good. And now, depending on what you want to include, you can even have video, music, and a forum. So let's choose those. Click next. These are all the things that Wix immediately integrates into your site upon creating it, which we can then further customize. Okay, so now that we've done that, choose how you want to create your site. You can let Wix ADI create a website for you, answer a few simple questions, some more, and automatically get a website designed for you in just minutes. If you don't want to do any work except for the bare minimum of customization, or create your website with the Wix Editor, start with a template and make your own with easy drag and drop and thousands of design features. We'll choose that to further customize and individualize our blog. And as you can see, all website templates, but we want blog, there you go. And as you can see, now we have blog website templates. You can now scroll down and take a look at which one you like the look of the most. As you can see, there are hundreds of these templates. Now, let's say we like the look of this one. Now what you can do is click view, which will then open up this preview of the template. And as you can see, this is looking very nice. If you scroll down, this is how your blog would look like. You have your form over here to collect leads and all this. Now, what's important is this feature at the top, which will show you how this website looks on mobile. This is important because mobile is the main source of your traffic nowadays. And as you can see, it also has this up arrow, which is convenient for mobile users. So this is highly optimized. Now, if you like this template, you can go ahead and click edit this site over here, or go back and go on, click the edit button over here. Now this opens up the Wix Editor. This might take a couple of minutes. I'll be right back once this is all set up. Now, as you can see, the Wix Editor just loaded up our template just so that you can customize it to your liking. And as you can see on the left here, it has these buttons. The plus sign is add, the page sign is menus and pages. You can do site design, add apps. So Printful for print on demand services, for example, and other things, media, my blog, and ascend business tools. So click the center of your screen, and now you can fully customize everything you're seeing here. So as you can see, it says reviews here. You can click it, edit text, and now you can change the text to how to global blog. Drag this to the side so that it's all go. There you go. So we now changed the title. You can do scroll effect even once you click on these pictures. Manage post and settings. As you can see, if you click settings on blog, here you go. These are your blog settings. You can now do main, display, layout. So this is tiled. You can also do editorial. As you can see now, this is how it looks like. You can also side by side. So you have the thumbnail and the title and description of your blog posts. You can do magazine, which would make it look like a magazine front, which is pretty cool in my opinion. Now design, you can change all these things, button, video settings, and then main, you can now go ahead and create a post. There you go. Now this pop-up window comes up and you are on your dashboard for your website. Now as you can see, we're already in the blog writing part. So add a catchy title, say how to create a blog on Wix for free. And now you can go ahead and put your text over here. Now, as you can see here on the left, you can add images, a gallery, a video, a GIF, and different elements in order to make it look better. From the web, you can add AdSense to monetize, add SoundCloud music, or even HTML code. As you can see here, monetize. This is only available on the paid plan though, but you can do SEO now. And as you can see, preview on Google. This is how it will look on Google. Now, if you want to change this, you can change the URL slug, but I would recommend you do this with the dashes in between. Title tag is your main keyword, and meta description, I would say add a couple more keywords related to your post in order to rank higher on Google. Now let search engines index this page. This is very important, so have this on. Now social share, you can social share this on your Twitter, Instagram, and all these things. So you can upload an image here. And then there's advanced. Now structured data markup, make your posts eligible for rich results in search engines. Robots meta tag, select the relevant instructions so robots know what info to display after crawling this page, and additional tags. So you want to fill out all these things, as you can see here, and go ahead and make your blog post extremely SEO friendly and rank high on the Google search engine in order to make your blog successful. Once you're happy with that, click publish. There you go, great. Post published. We're happy with that. And as you can see, this is our post. And we're now in the blog published section on our dashboard, which displays all our different posts, which we can now edit or click the three dots and move in order to delete them. Now, once we're happy with all of this, we can go and save my site. Let's call it blog. Click save. And we have now saved it. And we can now go ahead and click publish in the top right. And congratulations, your site, or our blog in this case, is published and live online. Click view site, which will now open up our blog. As you can see, HTTG blog. And this is the post we just created 1 minute ago. how to create a blog on Wix for free. Click it. And as you can see, here is our blog. There's an About Me section on the right here and related posts. People can share it on their socials, and the chat in the bottom right is also there. I hope I could help you out in creating your blog on Wix. If this video helped you out, please leave a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.